So we looked at the acceleration in the theta coordinate on the sphere from the geodesic equation. Let's now look at the acceleration in the other coordinate, the phi coordinate. So that's d2 of x1 in this parameter tau plus gamma. Now we have 1, 0, 0, and therefore dx0 dx tau plus gamma 1, 0, 1, and we'll have the other one. We'll just write them both. So here's a 1, and here's the 0. And then we'll write this as 1, 0. It's the same as that, of course. dx0 dx1 plus all ones, 1, 1, 1. Therefore dx1 dx1. And so we need gamma 1, 0, 0. And that's 1/2 g11 dg01, which is 0. Same with this one. Minus, this term isn't 0, but the derivative in x1, which is phi, g00, doesn't depend on either of those coordinates, theta or phi. So this is 0. Gamma 1, 1, 0, 1/2 g11. Again, a term that doesn't exist, so it doesn't matter what we take the derivative with respect to, plus dg11 with respect to x0. Now, g11 does depend on theta. And then we have 0 here. And that's, therefore, we have 1/2 g11 dg11 with respect to x0. And that's okay, so we have the 2 there, and g11 is 1 over r squared sine squared theta. And then we take the derivative of that with respect to theta. So that is 2 r squared sine theta cosine theta. And that is therefore cosine theta over sine theta. So that's the cotangent of theta. So gamma 1, 1, 1, 1/2 g11 dg11 in x1 plus the same minus the same, because they're all ones here. So that's just dg11 with respect to x1, and that's, so we have g11 is, depends on x0, so not on x1, so this is 0. So that's it, we're done. So the component of the geodesic for x1 is d2x1 d tau squared plus 2. So we have gamma 1, 1, 0 or 1, 0, 1. Both of them survive, so we have 2 terms. And that's cotangent of theta, dx0 and the dx1. So that's equal to 0. And so we have, in terms of the actual coordinate, the acceleration in the phi coordinate with respect to this time parameter, if you will, to cotangent of theta d theta by d tau d phi by d tau equals 0. And that describes the second derivative of this phi coordinate in this parameter for unaccelerated motion.